Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate Webflow with Shopify. So in order to do this you have to log into your Shopify account, then you have to also log into your Webflow account. So open this website in the same section and now in the same sequence open the Zapier. Now here click on create a Zap, and just when you click here you have to wait for a few seconds. So now our next page is being uploaded. So now in the app event, what you need to do, just type the Webflow and just here choose an event, just like new order. After that click on continue, and here you can also sign in and click on connect. So now here in the action just simply click on plus button, and now here you have to add Shopify. So simply just click on Shopify, and after that you have to choose an event like create a customer and simply click on continue. So in this way, first of all you have to log into your account from Shopify and Webflow, and after that you will easily integrate Webflow with Shopify.